everyone, so today's video is a little bit different. I'm bringing you a what I eat in a day video. So in my last health video that I posted, I talked a little bit about what I eat. It was just a small part of the video, but since then I've had a lot of requests for me to show you what I eat on a daily basis. So I personally love these type of videos because I feel every time I watch these kind of videos, it does inspire me, A, to eat healthier, and B, gives me like little ideas on like how to like pair certain foods. So for breakfast, I always make myself something at home before I leave. I try and get protein in every single meal. That's one of the big changes I've made, and of course eliminating gluten. But first thing that I put in my body every single day is some lemon water. So today for breakfast I'm going to be making very Italian inspired kind of scrambled eggs. I like to start the day already with some vegetables, so any greens I can mix into any meal is great. So then before work, I like to fit in a workout. I usually start with the strength training circuit, targeting both upper and lower body. And then every other day, I do core training. And then I like to finish with 30 to 45 minutes of cardio, at least 3 to 4 times a week. So for lunch, I either have some leftovers from the previous dinner. If I don't have any leftovers, I will grab a salad on the way. So today I grabbed this salmon summer peach salad. And then on some days when I get home from work, I am hungry. If I am, I'll normally just have a light snack before dinner. And so today I'm having 2 dates with some celery and peanut butter. And then it is time for dinner and some family time.
Pa? Pa?
I don't think she feels good.
Pa? Oh, there it is.
So this video is sponsored by Hellofresh. I love food delivery services, and I absolutely love that I don't have to think of a grocery list. I love that I eat lots of mixed vegetables and just mixed ingredients that are really whole and really healthy for you. And it keeps it really simple for someone that is really busy, and you get to eat incredibly healthy, and the food tastes delicious. So that's obviously a major plus. Olive, are you excited? She's just like staring at the camera.
Hi, folks.
We asked Olive if she was interested in some food, and she said for sure. So basically with HelloFresh, you get delivered early on in the week 3 different meals, and they're like fresh for like the week. It works perfectly for us because we like to cook 3 to 4 days a week, and then Friday and Saturday we tend to go out for dinner. So it's like perfect for us, and I like the variedness and the vegetables that you get. Normally when I grocery shop, I end up like buying the same vegetables over and over, and then this is like a nice way of introducing little portions of different types of vegetables.
So our options are Vietnamese chicken ball, Cajun style blackened tilapia, Korean barbecue, bibimbap, bibimbap.
I vote the Vietnamese chicken bowls. You good with that?
I vote the Cajun style blackened tilapia, but since you're cooking, I guess you get to kind of veto that one a little bit.
You're gonna cook too, and you're gonna love it.
Vietnamese style chicken ball, shaka.
Maybe it was a bad idea to sous chef. He's funnier than I am, but he's also a lot more annoying than I am. Instead of backhanded compliment.
How not exciting it. Give me a knife.
Right here, just rip right here. Like, ta-da.
Yeah.
That's not hard. So obviously you get all the ingredients for everything that you need for this other than like salt and oil. But I love that. So sometimes even if it asks for like an egg or whatever, it'll come with everything you need. So I love that, and small portions. So ready to start. And the detailed instructions are also really nice with photos. So for anyone that's like beginner cook, it's great for that. I actually feel that like by doing these type of like food service, delivery service, I've actually learned a lot about cooking. So yeah, it's awesome. Can you measure out 2 cups of water? And
No, but I can guess 2 cups of water.
And pour in the rice. So good chopping.
Oh my God.
Wow.
El jefe.
Adam is actually a really good chef, and he cooks most of our elaborate meals. He just never does it. So that's what we're joking about.
Cilantro is my favorite thing in the whole world.
And cucumber is also your favorite thing.
It's literally my other favorite thing.
You should look at the picture and see how they want you to cut it, but I think that's right. I know.
Yeah, I nailed it.
Give us a thumbs up if you think Adam should start a cooking channel. Boom. Make sure your chopping block is
It's sealed.
coated.
It's yeah. Otherwise, you have a garlic chopping block.
Forever.
All right.
Okay, so is that everything chopped? Carrots are done.
Are you managing entering the rice into the water?
It was tough, but I think I made it.
Oh shit, we forgot something.
No, we didn't.
Wine.
It's International Red Wine Day.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Well, how are we not drinking wine yet then?
This is supposed to be my vlog, like how to lose weight, how to maintain weight. Just kidding!
A glass of red wine is healthy. Everybody says so.
Right, it's true, but it's not low calorie. But let's do wine. Cheers. HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving. Get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to hellofresh.com and enter Ellebangs80. There's definitely something for everyone, from family recipes to calorie smart, vegetarian, and fun menu series like Hall of Fame and craft burgers. Also, you can easily change delivery days or food preferences, and even skip a week whenever you need to. And then it's time to enjoy our meal and enjoy the rest of the night. All right, guys, hope this is helpful. Hope this inspires you to eat a little healthier. And if you've never tried a food delivery system, I highly recommend you check out HelloFresh. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.